One more song, one more song, yay, one more song. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Adele, Set Fire to the Rain. There might be some mistakes, but I don't care. It's one more song. I'm feeling like singing again. So here we go. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a sign to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true in the games you play. You would always win, but I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. Wanna lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a sign to you that I never knew all the things you'd say they were never true in the games you play. You would always win, but I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touched your face. Let it burn while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. When I felt something dying, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake. Okay, didn't even learn that bit yet. So, dun 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 dun.